Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on TCL 20 SE. So first type in settings, battery saver, and go right here. You have the battery saver to enable. I won't enable it right now because it enables with it some features that I want to show you how to enable manually, but you can turn off when charged. Here, go back into the display. We have brightness levels, so lower your brightness or just use the adaptive brightness right here below. The dark mode. You can schedule it, but I'll just turn it on right now with the first option. Go back into the sleep and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top of your phone 2 times and disable every feature that you're not currently using, so like a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, Hotspot, and that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.